Hello everyone, welcome back to a new video. My name is Daisy. I am so thrilled to share something super exciting with you all today. The new Loklik iCraft machine. This is Loklik latest launch and I couldn't wait to get my hands on it and show you all about it. They are running a pre-sale from November 29th to December 31st. So you'll want to stick around to hear about all the amazing features packed into this beauty. Today I'm going to be unboxing this machine to show you its design and giving you a sneak peek of some separately available accessories that pair perfectly with it. Let's dive in. And we're going to unbox it. Let's see what comes inside. It comes with a brand new cutting mat. And this is a piece of vinyl to start creating. And this is the instruction manual. This is the complete instruction manual and a fast guide to start using the machine. USB cable to connect it to the machine, power adapter, a pen with two tips to use the drawing feature, and a weeding tool. And here is the housing for the scoring wheel and the pen, and two fine point blades with the housing. We'll open it in a little bit. And this is a tool holder. Let's get the machine outside the box. Let's talk about why I am so excited about this machine. First, it can cut a wide variety of materials, from vinyl and cardstock to more intricate materials like leather. Second, the foil customization feature is a game changer. And how about the new print and cut feature? It's perfect for making stickers or labels for any project. Wow, look at that design. It's compact, stylish, and totally a centerpiece for any craft room. I love it. And I cannot wait to start using it and create tutorials and videos for you. I'm going to rotate it so you see its design. It's gorgeous. Remember to visit the Loklik official website because they are going to be running a pre-sale from November 29 to December 31st. I'm going to link Loklik official website in the description down below. And that's the clamp where we're going to place the blade housing or the pen or scoring housing. These are the accessories that came with the machine. Two fine point blades with housing and a pen and scoring housing. I'm going to place the fine point blade inside the housing. Remove the cap from the blade, then push the top of the housing and insert the blade, and ready. Now we're going to place the housing on the clamp and tighten it. Now the machine is ready to start cutting. And this is the housing to place the pen. Also, you can use it to place the scoring pen or the scoring stylus. Just like this, we can exchange the housings depending on the material that we're going to cut or depending on the project we're going to work with. With this machine, you're going to be able to cut a wide variety of materials, starting with iron-on vinyl, permanent vinyl sticker, cardstock in different thicknesses, either regular or with glitter, photo paper, sticker paper to create beautiful stickers using the print and cut feature. With the beautiful Loklik iCraft machine, we're going to be able to create stunning gift boxes using the scoring stylus. Besides creating boxes, we are also going to be able to create beautiful cards using foil. They also are going to have the foil kit. This one is going to be sold separately. With this machine, we're also going to be able to use the dip point blade to cut thicker materials like leather, chipboard, cardboard, and more. And this is the Loklik roll holder kit. I'm going to unbox it to assemble it to the machine. This one has a blade to cut the material, and it comes with an extra one. The roll holder is very easy to assemble it to the machine. And here you can place the vinyl roll. So there you have it. That is my first look of the new Loklik iCraft machine. I am so impressed with its design, features, and all that comes with it. I cannot wait to start crafting and exploring all the possibilities. Stay tuned because soon I'm going to bring you the tutorial. And remember to check out the pre-sale that starts from November 29 to December 31st. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing, and please don't forget to support this channel by subscribing, liking, commenting, and by pressing the notification bell. Thank you for your visit, and until next time.